Question number 1, Part A. In 2018, Gretel earned $32,000. First part is, she paid tax of 24% on these earnings. Work out the amount she paid in tax in 2018. She paid tax of 24% on these earnings. So 24% of 32,000. 24 over 100 multiplied by 32,000, which is 7,680. So the amount of tax is 7,680. Second part is, in 2019, Gretel's earning increased by 7%. Work out her earnings in 2019. Increased by 7%. So 1 plus 7 over 100 of 32,000. 1 plus 7 over 100 multiplied by 32,000 is 34,240. So in 2019 her earning will be 34,240. Its part C is, 1 month Gretel spent a total of $360 on presents. She spent 1/5 of this total on presents for her parents, and she spent 2/3 of the remaining money on presents for her friends. She spent the rest of the money on presents for her sisters. Calculate the percentage of the $360 that she spent on presents for her sisters. The total money she spent is $360. And on present for her parents, she spent 1/5. So minus 1/5 of 360, and the remaining money will be 360 minus 1/5 of 360 is 288. This is the remaining money after spending on presents for her parents. And then she spent 2/3 of the remaining money on presents for her friends. So 288 minus 2/3 of 288. So what she will left? 288 minus 2/3 of 288, which is 96. So she spent the rest of the money on presents for her sisters. That means she spent $96 on presents for her sisters. Now calculate the percentage of the $360 she spent on present for her sisters. So 96 over 360 multiplied by 100. 96 over 360 multiplied by 100, which is 26.666, and it continues. So let's round it to 2 decimal places, so it will be 26.67. So 26.67% of money she spent on presents for her sisters. Part D is Arjun earned $36,515 in 2019. This was an increase of 9% on his earnings in 2018. Work out his earnings in 2018. Let's say his earning in 2018 was X. So, and this earning was increased by 9%. 1 plus 9% of X is equal to, in 2019 his earning is 36,515. So his earning in 2018 will be 36,515 over 1 plus 9 over 100. 36,515 over 1 plus 9 over 100, which is 33,500. His earnings in 2018 was 33,500. Part E. Arjun and Gretel each pay rent. In 2018, the ratio of the amount each paid in rent was Arjun ratio Gretel is equal to 5:7. In 2019, the ratio of the amount each paid in rent was Arjun ratio Gretel is equal to 9:13. Arjun paid the same amount of rent in both 2018 and 2019. Gretel paid $290 more rent in 2019 than she did in 2018. Work out the amount Arjun paid in rent in 2019. This ratio can be written as 7A for Arjun equals 5 and G for Gretel. So 7A equals 5G, and from this G is equal to 7 over 5 of A. And from other ratio, this will be 13A equals 9G, and from this G is equal to 13 over 9A. Now Arjun paid the same amount of rent in both, and Gretel paid $290 more rent in 2019 than she did in 2018. So the difference will be 13 over 9A minus 7 over 5A is equal to 290. Now solving this equation for A, 13 over 9 minus 7 over 5 of A is equal to 290. Then A is equal to 290 over 13 over 9 minus 7 over 5. 290 over 13 over 9 minus 7 over 5, which is 6,525. So this is the amount Arjun paid in rent in 2019, $6,525.